Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore an incredible country called India. India is known for its ancient history, rich culture and diversity. So let's begin. India is located in South Asia and it is the seventh largest country in the world by area. The capital of India is New Delhi and some major cities are Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Bengaluru. India is land of diversity. People in India speak many languages, but Hindi and English are widely used. India has different religions, cultures, and traditions, yet people live together with unity. That's why India is called Unity in Diversity. India is famous for its ancient civilization like the Indus Valley civilization and for great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi. The national symbols of India include national animal tiger, national bird peacock, national flower lotus, national flag tiranga. India is also known for yoga, Ayurveda, festivals, food and spirituality. Today, India is one of the fastest growing countries in the world. It is making progress in science and technology, a space mission ISRO, in education and digital development. India is also the largest democracy in the world. So friend, this was a short introduction to India. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.